So this Troy-Bilt came in, no start issue. This thing is dead as a hammer. So the first thing I did, simple things first. Charge the battery, let it sit overnight, battery's all charged. Well, I don't know what else is wrong. Let's see if it'll do anything. All right, let's get this unhooked. Got one of these never starts from Walmart. All right, let's see, cold cranking amps 250. Let's see what we're looking at here. All right, 13.9, yeah. I just took it off the charger, so battery test, regular flooded, cold cranking amps, 360. Let's turn that down to 250. Come on. Where's it at? It's just a little battery. Went too far, didn't I? There we go. Trying to look at the camera, look at the screen of that thing, and we are testing. Let's see if it's any good. Battery healthy, 100%. All right, get this out of the way. Let's get up here and have a seat. Set her. It's an automatic hood. Put it in park there. Will she do anything? Nothing. Won't do nothing. It's okay. Simple things first. Now, depending on your mower, yours might be different. Some of them have fuses up under here. In the case of most Troy-Bilts, your starter solenoid is going to be over here on this side, and your fuse is up under there hidden and hard to get to. Sometimes you can reach up under here and find it and feel around and get it. Most times it's just easier to pop the battery out. A lot of these got a rod that goes across right there. This one don't have one. Dang, cable in the way. Let me move the cable. Now I can get to it. I know, you're supposed to be taking the negative off first. I didn't do what I tell y'all to do all the time, did I? Y'all check out one of these. I put a link right down the description. Nope, I ain't sponsored. Get these little brackets out. And if you look right here, there's your fuse sitting right there. Let's see if the fuse is blown. Well, looky there. Can you see it? She's blown. If that's all that's wrong with this, it's going to be a short video. I don't know how long this is going to be yet. We're about to go find out. Why did that fuse blow? I don't know. So let's pop this in. And in the case, just for saving time here, in case it's going to blow again, now you can untape that and get it back to where you can see. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my jumper box, which is nothing more than a lawnmower battery. That's all it is. And we're going to hook this up and try not to short nothing out. Maybe. If it does, you'll see sparks and stuff. Okay, let's see if we can get any action. All right, since y'all fussed at me because you ain't checked the oil. It's got oil in it. I always check the oil. It just, I don't always show it on camera. Will this thing even run? I hope nothing shorts out back there. I don't know, just fire it up. Fire it up. Kick the tires and light the fires. Ooh, that sounded bad. Ooh, look at this. Y'all watch this right here. It's hitting that dipstick. Wait a minute. Somebody been in here before. Y'all welcome back to Really Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. This is your Get to the Point channel. Y'all click that subscribe button. Maybe even a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. How many comments can we get in this video? Everybody comment. So some of these mowers see a wrench, and when you go to back that screw out, some of these covers already have a slot. This one does not. But when you go to back that screw out, you'll bind up your wrench, and all you got to do is boom, boom. It's two more on the other side, that whole bracket will come out of the way. This will get you some more room. I'm gonna tell you what happened when somebody had this engine cover off. There's a little piece inside here with this oil filler, and they didn't hold the mouth right when they put it on. Most likely. See that little plastic right there? They got it on the wrong side of that, and it's pushing it up against there. And then this needs to hook in right there. That's all it is. See there? Sound mo gooder already. Oh, I gotta hook my jumper back up. Hold on. Here we go. Get on there. Please don't short out. Please don't backfire in my face. Let's see what's gonna happen. We're down to idle. Oh, she fired up on her own. That was with no choke or nothing. That's pretty amazing. No choke. There's water coming off of here because I guess it was in the rain the other day and I'm getting wet. That's pretty daggone cool. This is gonna make for a short video. Daggone. Can you believe that? Thanks to just been sitting a while. That thing running good. Let's put him back together. Again, the simple things first, y'all. Put this right in here. And I got to get this lined up and it'll snap in. Where is it? Now, not hitting the dipstick. Now these blower houses screws, some got a long shoulder, some got a short shoulder. Short shoulder to the front, long shoulder to the rear. Well, that doggone air filter looked really good. The oil looks fresh. There ain't much else to do to this thing except give it back to the man. That's all it is to it. So this is a simple things first video. Just a battery charge. Where is there it is. Just a little battery charge and a fuse. Simple. Why it blowed, I don't know. I'm gonna run it a while. If I see something or it blows again, this video will be longer than right now. If it does okay, that'll be the end of the video. Almost. Y'all go check out T-Bone After Hours. Go subscribe over there. Subscribe to Rayleigh's Small Engines. Appreciate you tuning in. We'll see you soon, guys. Put it back together and go for a ride. I can't go test out the deck because it ain't got one on. I reckon he's got it at home.
T-Bone in the swamp, but thick, ain't no slack. Red and black threads, long hair down his back. Dip battery, bad gas, all that junk. Tools in his hand, grease on that punk. Mower's dead quiet, ain't no roar. T-Bone cussing, kicking down the door. Sweat drips, hot Louisiana sun. Fixing that mess before the day's done. T-Bone wrenching in the swampy night. Red eyes glowing in the pale moonlight. Dead batteries, bad gas all around. T-Bone's fury gonna bring them back to sound. Rust and rot, he don't give a damn. Swamp King fixer, that's a man. Long hair, wild crazy in the wind. Swamp will bend, but T-Bone won't end.